Alright guys, 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I drained the radiator. There's the antifreeze. The radiator drain plug is all the way down there. I have a little pipe sticking out of it. But from right down there, you can see it from right down here. You can see it really good right there. Alright, so I drained the radiator. I'm going to take off this pipe and put it away. I'm going to take off this little screw right here, put this away. I'm going to take off the bolt right here, right down there for the fan shroud, and down there, and there should be a connector to the fan right there. And I'm gonna take out this fan shroud, and then we should be able to take out the radiator, and we'll just continue little by little. But anyway guys, let's keep it going, and let me grab some tools. I'm gonna be taking stuff off, just showing you guys, so you're not gonna see me remove everything step by step. I'm gonna take off this screw, take off this pipe, pull it right off, and put it to the side. I'm gonna remove this clamp. I'm gonna remove that clamp as well. I'm gonna knock out that pipe also, so it's all clear, because I am gonna be working on a water pump. All right, a lot of talking, but no problem. All right guys, so far I took off the hose for the reservoir. I dumped it there. I took off this pipe right here guys. Let me get my light. I even took off this little duct pipe from right here. Let me grab my light properly. I popped it from right there, and I pushed this end down, and I pulled up this front end pretty much. I popped it out of the housing, then I twisted it, and then I pulled it out right from right here. Right, I took off the number 10 right here, but the problem on this side is the number 10 right there doesn't have any clearance all the way on there. Right, so what I'm trying to do is I got me this extension right here with the swivel. I have to take off this little guy. I'm gonna put the number 10 right there. All right, the radiator has a bolt right here. All right, that's the mounting bolt, but you can see that from right down here. If you put the swivel on, you should be able to see that little guy. Sometimes this little electric gun, this short socket, might not work, so you might have to do it hands-on, hand power, manpower pretty much. You can even take the grill off if you want, but there you go guys, I got it out. It's loose. I'm gonna let the bolt sit there. Let me get this out, and I'm gonna use a magnet to pull it out, but I might take off this grill guys. It's gonna help me. All right, taking off this grill, take off the screw here. Oh no, this grill, yeah, I'm not messing with this grill. It's gonna probably just break. All right, yeah, this drill is definitely gonna break. All right, so manage it guys. Once you have it out, you should be able to move this around a little bit. It might give you a little bit of clearance there. All right guys, I'm sorry, pop the grill off. All right, I popped the grill, that part off it. It has like a little clips here, but if you just pop this one right here, this one, and this one, this grill should come right off. All right, so all you do is you take a screwdriver and you pop it off. I don't want to break it because, you know, one hand. There you go. All right, and this comes right off instead of making two pieces out of it like me. And put that to the side guys, and look at that. Now you have all the room guys right there. Someone must have worked on this condenser right here. It's loose. All right, so we got another number 10 bolt right there. I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna take this off also, and then we'll just continue. I might just take out the radiator and the fan, short everything just together. Alright guys, I'm having a hard time removing this, so there's not enough room there. So what I did was I took off this little torque here, number 10, and same thing here. I am also gonna take off the bar here. You can either take it off on the bottom, the torque set, or here, and then just try to push it forward a little bit. All right, whatever works best for you. And this whole thing, also took off a screw here and here, and this thing is already moving. All right guys, I'm gonna do it and just knock it out, get it out of the way, because it's bothering me guys. It's not an easy job guys. It's not a small job. And then I missed this one. There's another number 10 here on the fan shroud, and don't forget that connector. All right guys, so I'm gonna keep it going, and I'm about to do right here, take off this little guy, put it to the side, another little guy, put it to the side. All right, and this whole thing should just come apart. This got little, whatever this is right here. All right, so I'm gonna mess the silicone there right there. All right, let's just take off the cable, and we can leave this thing hanging, and these little bars should just come forward, and we should be able to lift this whole thing and put it away, and then we'll have a lot of movement here. Right? All right, guys. Ooh, hassle. Got it out. There's another bolt down there, but the transmission, these cooler line, I think these transmission cooler lines right there, whatever those cooler lines are, I don't know if it's oil, I'm not gonna look into it. They're blocking, so I took off the radiator hose on this side, and oh, there's the problem, right? The radiator is cracked, that's why it was leaking. So I pulled it up and I took it with that bolt, and I wiggled it around, and the condenser is held in by a bolt here, and then in the bottom, it sits on the little clip on things. All right, that's simple, and this thing is out of here. All right, and then reverse procedure is the same way, guys, step by step. You put in the radiator, put in the fan shroud, put in the hose, lock everything up, and put antifreeze in the system. I'll just continue little by little, but I'm gonna pull this off and we'll continue from there. All right, guys, got the radiator out. The mount, plastic pieces, goes with the radiator, so if you dropped it, make sure you look for it. All right, and there's my fan right there. The shard is with it. We're not touching that. We're not taking the fan. If you're removing the fan, you're gonna have to move this shard, and there's a number 10, 2 bolts, I believe, 3 bolts, one in the bottom, and the fan comes right out. Right, not even gonna test it, don't even want to check it because the problem was the radiator. All right, guys, and the reverse procedure is gonna come, guys. And also I am gonna take a break with this video. You're gonna see me continue with it, but once I come back to it, you're gonna be seeing a new water pump there, guys. All right, new hose, new pipe here, because I'm gonna replace the water pump and everything. And also I'm gonna be changing this pulley, and it's gonna be all good to go, and the belt as well. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, if you need the thermostat, it's right there. The sensor is very important. If you break this sensor or it comes loose, you're gonna have a check engine light in there, you're gonna have a check gauges light in there, and the car is gonna shut off, because that's critical. The sensor is very critical on these cars, on the Jeeps. I would suggest you change it. I'm gonna talk to the customer, and I might just change it for him. All right, guys, I'm done putting the radiator in. Just want to let you know, guys, to put the radiator in, if you could take off the cooler lines right on this side, that'd be best, but my lines wouldn't come out. So I tilted it and I got it in there somehow. I yanked the line a little bit, and I got the bottom lower end of where the lower hose goes on down there, in there. Put the bolts in, put the connector in, lock up the hose, make sure your drain plug all the way down there. Drain plug is closed, fan is connected, everything is nice and smooth. All I need to do is put in an upper radiator hose. I'm gonna clean that up really well, the neck right there, and put the hose on, guys. And thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, don't forget to send me a message, and do subscribe to my channel, share and like all of my videos. Also put it in the reservoir line, goes right through here in there. Right, put a new cap in. I'm gonna get a new cap every time I do any type of radiator job, water pump, new cap, guys, always. All right, $5 can save you a headache from car overheating. All right, thank you, bye bye, see you on the next one.